We're going to style the coffee table today. I don't know if this is gonna stay this way. So we're gonna get started with decorating the coffee table for Christmas. I've already done the tree in the background. I have a slight idea of what I want to do here, but not completely. Different sizes and textures, so I went with a larger velvet one and then a smaller knit one. I have two of each stocking and I'm just going to alternate them in sizes and texture, and the colors are slightly different, and I'm just going to continue that down. So I want to show you guys this garland I found from Hobby Lobby. They jingle! I'm gonna hang this and drape it over the fireplace, and then I'm gonna add my garland on top. So I have this garland, but it looks like crap, and I'm just gonna put this temporarily here until the new one comes in, and just to show you guys, you know, what it's gonna look like. So there's that. I want to get one that looks a bit more realistic. I've had this one for years, and it's just, you can tell that it's old and it looks, you know, like crap. So we're gonna get a new one, and yeah, so it's gonna look pretty much just like that, and I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna add a couple more stockings in there, but for the most part, that's how the mantle is going to be, and we'll see what we're going to do on the sides, because that's going to change as well. Okay, so currently I have candlesticks up on that side, but I'm gonna change them to, I'm gonna keep the candlesticks there, but I think, maybe, we're not really sure yet, but I think I'm gonna get black ones or gold ones to go there. And then on this side, see, I have these two Christmas trees here, but I just got something in from Michael's. You know what? Let me show you right now. I just got these two drummers in, Nutcrackers. And I'm hoping they will go there without obstructing the TV too much. In replace of the trees, because I think that will look so much better, a bit more natural. If not, then the trees are probably gonna stay for now temporarily if these Nutcrackers don't fit there. So let's try that. This is massive. I absolutely love it. So pretty is that. And it doesn't obstruct too much. Is that too much? What do you guys think? Is that so pretty? That's gonna stay like that. And then I'm gonna do different ones on the other side. That's what I got so far.